Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a walkthrough of this adorable baby album that I made. I made it for my niece's very first baby. Just look at it. It is so fun. Wait until you see the inside. But first I want to show you the paper I used to create this album. Everything is by Craft O'Clock and everything is available at the Sandpaper Road Shop right now today. This is the Sleep and Dream paper collection. This is the 30 and 5 centimeter by 30 and 5 centimeter, or if you go by inches, it's 12 by 12 inches. So I used some of these papers. Let me just give you a look through before I give you a walkthrough of the album. And if you're more interested in the album than the paper, you can skip ahead. But I just wanted to show you what the paper looks like because it's fairly new in the shop. It's only been in there for a few months. And look at it. I love the designs. I love that it's fairly gender neutral. I mean, there's a few pink pages here and there and a few feminine images, a few maybe more masculine images. But overall, you're going to get a pretty gender neutral feel for this collection. Now, to create this mini album, I also used a lot of the embellishments and extras that coordinate with the collection. So this is the Sleep and Dream Baby's First Year Extras to Cut set. And it is letters and numbers, really, really nice, heavy cardstock feel to it. Now, you can hand cut these out around the letter, but wait until you see how I incorporated this paper into my album. I'm going to just give a quick walk through here of the papers themselves. Look at the numbers. And then it also comes with cute calendar sheets. Again, single-sided, but really, really heavy-duty paper. And then a few lighter weight sheets in there, some wreaths to cut out, just some little, I don't want to call them die cuts, but just little shapes. And you'll see how I incorporate those in the album. These are more, I guess, what you would consider like cut-aparts or Project Life type cards. They'd be great for cards. Oh, and just a note, there's Polish language on one side and English language on the other. But I use them just as accents in the album. Now, I also use a cover paper, which I'll show you in a minute, but I use the basic paper set number 1. These are neutral sets with, look on the back of the packaging. You've got banners and just nice little shapes to enhance your project. You get 2 of every design. Look at that. Look at the script. And they are single-sided. The basic set 1 is sized 6 by 8 inches. And this is absolutely perfect for mini albums and card making. Plus, a few of the designs have like a foiling to them. You could see that shine up against the light. I'll hold them up. See that foiling? It's just embedded right into the paper and it doesn't brush off on your fingers. Look at these designs. So beautiful. So if you're a card maker, mini album maker, scrapbooker, these are just perfect for all your paper crafts. Basic set 1. And then this is the cover paper. Now, I have shown these before, but they've always been inside the page protector when I've shown them. I took it out of the page protector. Look at the light wood design, or it's actually the tan wood design. That's the large cover. And some of them are only one size. And these are the extras to cut embellishment pages that you fussy cut out with scissors by hand. If you have a Brother Scan and Cut or another type of scan and cut, I'm sure these will work. I haven't tried them myself, but I have seen them work for others. And then I also used a few of the quotes I had left over from another project from the Sweet Princess quotes. And that's all of the supplies that I used to create this album. And now I'm excited because I'm going to show you what the album does. You can see there's the wreath that I hand cut out and just how some of the embellishments are incorporated. Look at that cover. Isn't that beautiful? The cover paper is pretty durable. There's some of I just used a punch or a die I can't remember which I used, to cut some of those foiling papers out from the basic set. And then I used a lot of the basic papers to create the background for the pages. Just craft cardstock to create the hinge and then the pages themselves. But there's some of that foiling. Look at that, how they flip up. And you can put photos here in these blank areas. There's lots of room for photos. Plus there's a pocket right there. And then there's a pull apart here, or a pull out, which just slides in, and you can adhere a photo on each side. It's just like a little surprise pull out. Let me move this up a little bit. Here is, I love this paper. Isn't it so beautiful? And this is just a little, like a little tab that holds it. And then I made a waterfall page where you can put photos there on the inside of each page. You can actually put them on the outside as well of each page. And then that little one has a little quote in there, held together with a magnet. Here it says it's a girl, and then you open that up. There's another one of those foiled pages. It's so pretty. I love it. Just a little bit of bling, and this opens all the way up like an accordion style. And then here's just a nice cut apart, and you can put a picture on the back, and those tuck in there, and some tags. And you can just use them as decoration, or you can maybe look at the little girl, look at the star. Or you can write on one side maybe some interesting details or cute things to remember about the time when she was born. And inside of the sides of each page, I put a card, like a pull-out card, the same size, pretty big. That looks like about a 7 by 7.5. Just about, for another photo or something like that. I love this paper. I like the script, but that would be perfect to put. There's so much room for so many pictures. And you could just adhere those pictures with like a double-sided tape or something there. You could put them on the back of this little pull apart there, or the not pull apart, a little like tag. You could put more things in the pocket, like the little bracelet from the hospital, little memorabilia, things like that. Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. And then this flips up, and there, see, I told you I was going to show you how I incorporated that letter and number paper. And, you know, I thought about hand cutting out those letters and numbers, but I thought, no, this is cute too. So trying to do something just a little bit original. And here's another pull out area where you can put a few more photos. And it's meant to fit snug because this is going to last many, many years. I use some of that calendar paper behind a little triangle pocket. And you can slide just whatever you want in that little pocket. That calendar paper is cute, cute as pie. And here's another pocket as well. And sometimes it's nice to just slide in there like extra pictures that maybe you don't have a place for. There's another place to put more pictures. You could just tape them right to that sheet that slides out. This is a cute page. I like this. This is just about the end of the book, the outside cover there. And this folds up. And you can put a photo there right over top of the letters. And then one in the middle and one down below as well if you want. So fun. So that is the end of the book. And all these papers are available at the Sandpaper Road Shop in the USA. And there will be links below. You can check that out. Thanks so much to Craft O'Clock for providing the products today. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.